Hi, how you doing? This is David with J. Allen Toyota. I'm the service manager, and today I'm going to show you how to change out a cabin air filter in a 2019 Camry. This process will work from a 2018 to a 2021, so come on, let's get started. So first we're going to open up the glove box. Behind the glove box is a glove box panel. We're going to remove that panel and set it to the side. Next we have the blower motor door. We're going to remove the clip and pull out, and as you can see on this door there is a directional up. Make sure that it is installed in the up position. Now we are going to remove the cabin air filter. It has a casing around it. You just kind of pinch the filter, pull it out. Remember, these are directional as well. You have an up arrow on the casing and an up arrow on the filter. Make sure when you reinstall the new filter you put it in the right direction. Also, when you pull that filter out, there could be debris that falls down into the motor. Make sure that no debris falls down into your blower motor. If it does, it can cause your blower motor to rattle and make noises and cause you bigger issues. All right, so make sure that the filter and the holder is in the up position, and we're going to reinstall. Also make sure that the filter is flush over the blower motor and that it's pushed all the way back. Next, we will install in the up position the blower motor door. There we go. And then reinstall the trim panel for the glove box. It should clip right in. We have now changed a cabin air filter. All right, so what we have here is a red filter. So this is a very dirty filter. It's going to be constricting almost all airflow. Remember, this filter is white when it is new. This one is extremely bad. So if your filter looks like this, you need to replace it immediately. What it's going to do is cause your AC not to blow as cold, and it's definitely going to cause some odor throughout your car. All right, and we are done. Today you learned how to change out a cabin air filter in a 2019 Camry. Thank you so much. And remember, if you need parts, go tojallentoyota.com and order your parts online. For you do-it-yourselfers, we want to show you more how-to videos, so in the comments below, tell us what you want to learn. We're here to help.